Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie and today I want to share something a bit personal. This year marks my 15th year living here in Australia. Parang kailan lang nung unang dumating ako dito, I came with so many dreams, goals, and hopes for the future of my family. Pero kasabay ng mga pangarap na yan ay maraming fears, doubts, and uncertainties. Leaving your home country is not easy. Kailangan mong iwan ang pamilya mo, mga kaibigan, at lahat ng nakasanayan mo. But looking back now after 15 years, I can honestly say that this journey has changed me in so many ways. In 15 years, marami akong natutunan tungkol sa buhay. But today, I want to share 3 most important lessons that hopefully will help you. First is resilience. Hindi laging madali ang buhay bilang migrant. There were times when I felt homesick. May mga pagkakataon na sobrang namimiss ko ang pamilya ko sa Pilipinas. There were times when I felt lonely and overwhelmed at may mga araw na gusto ko lang sumuko. I miss family gatherings, celebrations, and many special moments back home. May mga plans na hindi nag-work out, may mga expectations na hindi nangyari, and there were challenges that I never expected to face. But through all those experiences, I learned how to keep going. Natutunan kong bumangon sa bawat setback. I realized that resilience is not about never falling down. Ang tunay na resilience ay ang kakayahang bumangon sa tuwing nadadapa ka. Today, I'm grateful for every challenge because each one helped me become stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Second lesson is independence. Living in another country taught me how to stand on my own feet. Di pwedeng umasa sa iba. But when I moved to Australia, I had to learn how to do many things on my own. I learned how to solve problems, I learned how to make important decisions, and I learned how to manage work, finances, and everyday responsibilities. Hindi naging madali ang lahat. But little by little, I discovered strengths that I never knew I had. Of course, di ko rin masasabi na ginawa ko ang lahat ng mag-isa. God placed amazing people in my life who supported and encouraged me along the way. Pero isa sa pinakamahalagang natutunan ko ay ang magkaroon ng confidence sa sarili ko. Australia taught me to trust myself more and believe that I can overcome challenges. The third lesson and the most important one for me is having a stronger faith in God. At alam ko naman na kahit saan tayo dalhin, ito yung kailangan natin. Living far away from family taught me that there are many things in life that we simply cannot control. May mga panahon na nag-aalala ko tungkol sa future. There were moments when I felt afraid, discouraged, and uncertain. Pero sa lahat ng mga panahong iyan, mas lalo akong napalapit sa Diyos. I learned to trust Him more, I learned to pray more, and I learned to surrender the things that were beyond my control. Over the years, nakita ko ang faithfulness ni God ng paulit-ulit in His protection, in His provision, in His guidance, at sa Kanyang perfect timing. Some prayers took years to be answered. Some blessings came when I least expected them. But through it all, God never failed me. Looking back on these past 15 years, masasabi ko talagang kasama ko siya sa bawat takbang ng journey ko dito sa Australia. And for that, I will always be grateful. If I were to summarize the 3 biggest lessons I've learned from living in Australia, they would be number 1, resilience, number 2 is independence, and number 3, a stronger faith in God. Australia has given me many opportunities and experiences, pero higit pa doon, tinulungan itong hubugin ang aking pagkatao. It taught me how to be strong during difficult seasons, it taught me how to become independent, and most importantly, it taught me how to trust God more deeply. Thank you so much for watching and for being part of my journey. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. God bless everyone.